This is the ultimate way to perfect your teamwork, and it's probably simpler than you think. If you're anything like me, you've probably seen mil-spec mojos perfectly operate in CQB situations with a team of liberators, and you probably thought about how cool it would be to play in that style. But you're not that good at teamwork when it comes to being pumped with adrenaline and BBs. So my solution was, well, I'll let this guy explain it.
Hi guys, I've tethered myself to my friend with an umbilical cord because this is a team bondage exercise.
The thing about this system is that it has its perks and obvious weaknesses. When I attempted this, it definitely improved my situational awareness, call-outs, proper use of my equipment, and bond with my team. However, the weaknesses of this are obviously mobility, as chaining oneself to another person, airsofter, will definitely make it harder to run. Additionally, you'll have more of yourself to get hit, a limited maneuverability, and being a hazard to everyone else around you. For example, well, here's the entire gameplay.
What's the plan? Do you want to like rush straight at him?
The plan is that I'm tied to you and scared for my life.
Do you want to run at them or do you want to go like middle?
I don't want to run, period. But yeah, let's push mid.
You really want to.
Okay, let's move. Shit.
We came out of the womb together.
Your mom.
I got center.
Okay, fuck. Red, middle. Coming.
Ow! I got
Okay.
y'all.
Yeah, well, you got one of us, but we're umbilical cord tied, so.
That's actually funny.
Okay. There's a guy over by doghouse.
Holy fuck.
Here.
Oh, I told you this shit was gonna happen.
We thought this was gonna be
I'm
a
hit.
good idea.
Fuck.
Stop
Me?
it!
Alright, I'm gonna stop playing so aggressively.
Okay.
Let's just...
Attempting alternative playstyles to find the perfect middle ground is what proved most effective to the game.
Okay. You wanna move?
Yep.
Let's go. Shit. Fuck, I blocked you, I'm sorry. Let's go. Here, legs, we're behind you.
This proved that holding a direction down is incredibly important, as I would have handled the threat that killed us if I had continued to hold that direction.
Okay, I think a better battle plan is devising which direction to look.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna look... If we go back to where we were, I'm gonna look left, if you can look center. Where my laser is, you see that?
This was so cool to me.
There's a window here. Hey, it's the G3 guy. I think I hit him. Okay, okay, there's a guy over by that fence. That's where we just shot at him. He was wearing white.
Part of this is trusting your teammates to lock a direction so you can do the same. If we weren't linked, ultimately the situation would have played out differently in our favor.
Alright, where are we going?
Moving directly middle. Yeah. Okay, yeah,
Oh shit.
what happened? Oh, hi. Okay.
The enemy juggernaut decided to come and camp our spawn.
Should I let them live or y'all live? Y'all get to choose. Who gets to live? Is he like a child or something? What the fuck is this?
Yeah, it's an umbilical cord.
Yeah, it's an interesting experience.
Did you enjoy it or no?
It was good for like actually getting me out into the field because, as you mentioned earlier, I do like. I mean,
I didn't mean to be like rude about it. I was just I noticed it.
It's true though. Like I am slower, and I'd say even if my kit isn't built for it, I tend to play more long range. But yeah, moving fast-ish was fun. I don't think I've ever gotten literally tangled up in an airsoft match before, but yeah, it was fun.
So would I recommend this method to anyone else? I mean, if you want to do it, but this isn't really the best way to improve your teamwork. However, despite this extreme method, you heard it from him first. It definitely pushed him out of his comfort zone playstyle-wise, and as such, improved our overall teamwork/bond. I say this because the last time we went to play Airsoft, we operated way more closely as a team than we had prior.
You got my 6, right?
So basically, it's effective, but in my opinion, unnecessary. Would you try this method? Do you think it's necessary? Comment below. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later. I'm putting this at the end of the video since this is somewhat personal, and people who dig my videos probably care more about this than the average viewer. No, I didn't leave or give up. In fact, I've got a lot of new content on the way, so please keep your eyes peeled for that sort of thing. I'm sorry for not uploading forever. I had a video on the way, then I realized it wasn't super important. Then I tried originally editing this video on a computer, and that went horribly, and delayed the release time. For reference, I've edited all of these videos on my phone. Oh, and this has been going on in my personal life. And if you don't know what that is, then look it up. Anyways, I'll see y'all later. Peace.